Isotopes and atomic mass. This video is a short video covering some of the key concepts relating to isotopes, isotopic abundance, and atomic mass. The following statements have not been approved by the FDA and are not intended to treat, prevent, or cure any disease. Let's first take a look at atomic structure. Modern atomic theory gives us the following picture of an atom. We have a small, compact nucleus which consists of protons that are positively charged and neutrons which have no charge. This positive nucleus is surrounded by a cloud of negative electrons, which makes up the majority of the atom. The nucleus is about 10,000 times smaller than the electron cloud which surrounds it. An isotope is an atom of an element which has the same number of protons as all the other atoms of that element, but a different number of neutrons. We have a specific shorthand that we use to denote isotopes. This is based on using the atomic symbol. This is the abbreviation of the element name that you see on the periodic table. Then we have the mass number A and the atomic number Z. The mass number is the sum of the number of protons and neutrons. The atomic number is just the number of protons. So using the atomic number and the mass number, we can figure out how many neutrons there are in a particular element. For example, carbon-13, which is a minor isotope of carbon, has an atomic number of 6. This isn't shown here. It's quite common not to see the atomic number, the Z number, because all atoms of a particular element have the same number of protons. In this case, carbon has 6 protons. So we can take the mass number of 13 minus 6 for the number of protons. That leaves us with 7. So carbon-13 has 7 neutrons. This is different to the most common isotope of carbon, which is carbon-12, which only has 6 neutrons. It's really important that you notice the difference between this isotopic shorthand and the way that it is listed on the periodic table. On the periodic table, the atomic number is given in the top left, and this is the way the elements are organized on the periodic table. The mass number that's given on the periodic table is not the same mass number as is shown here. That's an average mass number of all isotopes that occur in nature. Atomic mass on the periodic table is shown underneath the elemental symbol. So we have the atomic symbol here for carbon. We have the atomic number. This is the Z number, which is shown in the bottom left of an isotopic shorthand. In the periodic table, this is shown in the top left, and it's merely the number or the order that you see the elements appearing in, and corresponds to the number of protons. The atomic mass, that average mass of all the isotopes, is underneath the elemental symbol. This wraps up this short video lecture. If you have any questions on this, don't forget you can go to office hours, or you can drop into my office whenever my doors open and ask any questions you have.